Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to integrate ChatGPT with Google Sheets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to integrate ChatGPT with your Google Sheet, one of the most easiest ways is to simply go to your Google Workspace add-ons. Once you go to your Google Workspace, you can simply install the add-on. In your Google Sheet, go to the extensions and hit on add-ons. You can get like your add-ons for GPT. So simply search for GPT for Sheets and Docs and install it. Once you have done this, you can set a API key. You can open the add-on and you can simply go to set API, then paste your OpenAI API key, and now use formulas like GPT summarize this text or like GPT translate with the help of different kind of formulas A1, B1 and stuff like this, and you can use it to integrate ChatGPT with Google Sheet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.